Hi everyone, my name is April and I'm one of the interior design leaders for IKEA US. Currently, I am working from home at my family's house on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington State. Recently, we have been talking about how we can still celebrate with our loved ones while being apart and staying healthy. Over the course of the last few months, many of us have been staying home, including myself, and during this time, there are still birthdays, holidays, and other special events happening in our lives that we are still celebrating, even if it's in a different way than what we're used to. Today, I am going to talk about how we can have a virtual Mother's Day dinner and give some tips on how to make this day special for those celebrating from a distance. Number one, make virtual dinner reservations. This is important to make sure that your mom or any of your other family members who you're going to have dinner with are all on the same page, and you will also be able to avoid some technical difficulties during dinner as well. Next, make a meal plan. You can use items that you already have in the house or make a list of what you would like for your next grocery trip. Given that it's a virtual dinner, I thought it would be fun to make something that was easy enough for everyone to make in their own homes. This way, we're all having the same meal. For this occasion, I've decided to try strawberry mint mojitos as a cocktail. They are simple to make with ingredients, easy enough to find at the grocery store, and they're quite beautiful too. To make things feel more festive, you can choose items from around your house to create a centerpiece for your dining table. I enjoy using plants or flowers, but it can really be anything that you want. Today, I went out into the yard, and while nothing's in bloom quite yet, I was able to find some nice greens to make a simple arrangement. I also enjoy the cozy feeling I get from candles, so I will be using some of those on my table as well. Typically, I prefer unscented candles at the dining table so that they're not competing with the other scents going on. I like to create a song playlist for dinner parties. Of course, you can choose a specific station to go along with dinner, change it up a bit depending on what food or what you are celebrating. But for Mother's Day, I put together a list of some of my family's favorite songs, ones that will remind us of great times growing up and spending time together. Once it is time for your virtual dinner, set up your laptop, your tablet, or whatever device you're using in a way that you can get the entire family in the shot. That'll be really special to share with everyone as well. Now that it's time to enjoy your special dinner together while apart, you can really enjoy your time.